Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here. I hope you guys are all having a great day today. It's been one heck of a night after yesterday, what happened yesterday, and the loss of the appeal with YouTube, which basically just proved that it's happening again. Another big company using its size and power to bully a small player in the industry, a small channel operator trying to move ahead and provide great content to a wide variety of people that people are enjoying and trying to get ahead on the platform. And I know I'm probably speaking mostly to my subscribers with this video and not new people that have come along, but just in case you are a new person that stumbled on this channel, the basic premise of what has happened here is a viewer has reported several of my videos claiming that there is a counterfeit violation, and according to YouTube policy, none of the products that I review on this channel meet the definition of a counterfeit item. They're all commercially available items, legally able to be purchased. They do not infringe upon any intellectual property rights. They don't infringe upon any trademark or copyright, and they're not counterfeit items. They are perfectly legal items. And I was reported by a viewer, and I had the option to appeal that report after they unceremoniously removed my videos from the platform. And I was notified yesterday afternoon that they upheld the decision, even though they're not counterfeits. They upheld the decision to ban those videos and take away my watch hours and take away all of my likes and all of my comments from all of those videos, which are in the thousands. That's just something that has made me uncomfortable about posting on YouTube now, because it's like I picked watches because I like watches, and I didn't want to pick a controversial subject. I could have chosen anything. I could have chosen politics. I could have chosen any type of controversial issue, but I don't want to do that. I wanted to pick watches, and it turns out that watches are controversial for some reason. I don't understand it. I don't understand why people are so invested in watches that it's like they have to stand on a platform and call out anything that looks like a high-end model a counterfeit watch. It's not illegal to do it with sneakers. It's not illegal to do it with polo shirts. I mean, for Christ's sakes, everybody calls any shirt that has 3 buttons on the top a polo shirt. Polo is a fucking brand name. And you don't call those counterfeits. You just go to Walmart and buy a polo shirt. But it's technically not a polo shirt. It's a 3-button, 3 half button shirt. But nobody calls it a 3. I'm going to go to Walmart and buy a 3 half-button shirt. No, they go, I'm going to go buy a polo shirt. When you look at the brand name, it's not a polo. Polo is a registered trademark by a company. And thousands and thousands of other companies create polo shirts. But for some reason, if you do that with a watch, you make a watch look like a higher end brand, now all of a sudden you're counterfeiting. I don't understand where the disconnect here is with people. Why they'll literally go to the store and buy a box of Walmart facial tissues and say, hand me that box of Kleenex. Kleenex is a brand name, guys. Okay? The Walmart tissues are not counterfeit tissues. They're just not called Kleenex. But they're allowed to have a box that looks like a Kleenex box, and they're allowed to have tissues that look just like Kleenex. Okay? Same thing with Q-tips. Same thing with Coca-Cola and store brand cola. It's all the same, guys. With watches, it's no different. And I'm not understanding why YouTube and their bots can't separate this. Why they can't say, hey, these are not counterfeit watches, because they don't say the brand name. The only thing that would make it illegal for this watch, the only thing that would make this watch a counterfeit, is if A, they used the logo and the name, okay, and B, they used anything proprietary or patented by the corporation that they are trying to counterfeit. This watch right here does not say any other name other than what it is. Okay, and this is one of the offending watches. That's why I picked this one up. This watch is not a counterfeit. It's not a clone, and it's not a copy. But we've gone over that many, many times. Basically, where I'm at today is, and that was just for the new people that came into the channel that might have something to say, and I'm getting a lot of comments today, and this is why I'm making this video. The purpose of this video isn't to go over everything I've already gone over in yesterday's video. The purpose of this video today was to acknowledge comments that I have received. I've received a lot of support from you guys. I could not appreciate it more. You guys are awesome. You understand what's going on here, and it really is a situation of YouTube bullying the small guy here. This is the David and Goliath, and yeah, my name is Dave the Watchman, and YouTube is Goliath here. So I am literally in a David and Goliath battle right now, and I really do appreciate all of the support with you that you guys are showing me in this channel, because I did not do anything wrong. I am not doing anything wrong by posting these videos. There is nothing wrong, illegal, or infringing, or violating on YouTube's policies or any laws regarding what I'm doing here. There's nothing illegal and nothing wrong here. But still, they came back yesterday and told me that they were upholding the counterfeit claim against me, and they're going to keep those videos suppressed. They have removed them. They have removed my comments. They have removed my likes. They have removed everything that I had gained with those videos. And there's nothing I can do about it. There's no phone number I can call. There's nothing I can do short of getting an attorney, paying for an attorney, and filing a lawsuit against YouTube to get them to release all of the information that they have received. They won't even tell me what specifically I did wrong in their eyes. I didn't do anything wrong, and they haven't even told me what they think is wrong so that I can say, hey, no, that's not what I was doing. I'm not even able to defend myself against this behemoth that is Google and YouTube. I have no defense against them. It is literally like me throwing a rock at a giant, David and Goliath. So, with that said, I just wanted to shout out to all of my, shout out to all of my subscribers. You guys are awesome, and I really do appreciate it. I said yesterday I'm going to close down everything, and I'm going to leave, but I don't know if I should. After hearing the support that I received last night and reading these comments, it's starting to make me think that maybe I should stay, but I just don't know how to do that at this point. I don't know how I can continue to review wristwatches without saying what they look like and avoiding to offend people. I don't know how to walk around on the eggshells that I'm going to have to walk around on in order to keep reviewing these watches. I love reviewing these watches. I love watches. I'm not a jeweler. I'm just a guy. Like I said in my videos, I'm just a guy. I like my watches. I like to wear them, and I like to review them. And for somebody out there to want to shut me down over talking about watches is absurd. It's absolutely absurd to me that somebody would want to shut me down because I'm talking about watches. This is not an offensive topic. Like, I don't understand what's happening here. I understand people are offended by a lot of different things these days, but watches? Guys, watches. That's what's offending people now? That's what has to be taken down. Watches. I don't understand it. I don't understand it. But the future is uncertain as to whether or not Dave the Watchman will continue. I do have my website, davethewatchman.com. I do have the channel, YouTube Dave the Watchman. As of now, I have not removed anything from the channel, and I don't know if I'm going to remove anything or shut down the channel. I just don't know what to do at this point. So all your comments are definitely welcome. If anybody has any ideas or anything, I'd be glad to, see those. I do respond to as many comments as I can, and I do appreciate all of my subscribers. I have several subscribers that have been with me since the beginning, and some that have come on that have shown a tremendous amount of support. Like, for one, Brill Jansom, IF3II, been with me since my first 10 subscribers. I've got Simon Jackson Kavanaugh from the UK. This guy is just amazing, watches all of my videos, always supporting me, always giving thumbs up. I've got Fireman Frock. I've got GFDF, which is another subscriber that's showing a ton of support. Banjo Operator, thank you guys. Crank Up 1, Dude with Comedy 1, Not Your Typical Watch Review 2563. This guy's doing just about the same thing I'm doing. He produces great videos, so if you want to see some videos from him. Kingdom Walk VT4KC is also another subscriber that came on that's showing a ton of support. Adilis Slam 702 showing a ton of support. Thank you so much. The Darth Knight, also another subscriber showing a ton of support. Pierced Lid Several Time, also showing a ton of support. Thank you so much. And M Sensor Kaya, if I'm saying that correctly. Thank you so much to all of you guys for all of your comments, all of your support. I truly do appreciate my subscribers. I do not take any of you guys for granted. I am doing this channel to try and make sure that I can provide good content for people that just want to see an average guy reviewing watches, and I am just beside myself that somebody wants to shut that down for absolutely no reason. I just don't understand it. It's just, I'm just an average guy talking about watches, okay? That's it. I've got no ulterior motives. I'm not trying to do anything illicit. I'm not trying to be sinister in any way. I'm just talking about watches. That's it. Plain and simple. So once again, thank you so much to all my current subscribers. If you are new to this channel, please do show your support by giving that thumbs up, liking, and subscribing. It really does help me out, and it really may make the decision as to whether or not I do stay here or not. If you are one of my current subscribers, check out my polls. I just posted a couple of polls asking what you think I should do. Check out those polls. If you're new to this channel, check out those polls as well. And if anybody ever wants to go over DaveTheWatchman.com, you can check out the watches I do have posted there. They are all affiliate links. You can click on any one of them. They're all active. If you do see a watch that you like, you can click on the review associated with that watch, and if you like it, you can click on over and pick one up, and I would definitely appreciate that, because running a YouTube channel is two things that people don't typically think about. Number one, it's very time consuming to run a YouTube channel, and two, it does cost a lot of money. So any of those affiliate links do help out in a small way. So if you are interested in any of these watches, head on over to DaveTheWatchman.com. Check out the reviews that are associated with each watch, and if you want to pick one up, I would definitely appreciate it if you use that affiliate link. So as of now, the future of Dave the Watchman is hanging in the balance. I'm not sure if I'm going to go. I'm not sure if I'm going to stay. I'm not sure if I'm just going to scrap the whole plan and do something a little less controversial than watches, because God knows I don't want to be pissing people off all the time, and I don't want to be in danger of being shut down. So maybe I'll start a channel about watching grass grow or watching paint dry or something like that, so that I don't offend anybody. But either way, let me know what you think about this. I'm in a David and Goliath battle with the behemoth that is Google and YouTube, because they're just being a bully in this situation, and I don't have any other platform other than this one. So Until next time, I'm going to try and figure out what to do with this channel. But until next time, I hope you all have a great day. And I will hopefully see you in the next watch review video. I am Dave the Watchman, and I am out of here. You guys have an awesome day.